Dear friends, very good afternoon. This is Commander Sudhir Kumar from SBSH Digital Channel. I have been talking on different topics for a vibrant India, for positive India, and for a resilient India and self-reliant India. In this chain of my talk, today I am going to talk about that what next in India. Everyone was thinking, the economy is going to go down. What's going to happen in India due to this crisis which has been created by Corona around the world? But the resolve of leadership and its people behind him made altogether difference in India. We have been able to contain the losses due to this pandemic spread. And I'm not talking about that we have completely stopped the effect of it. No, certainly the effects are going to be there. It's not only a medical emergency, it's an economic emergency. And rightly so, the Honorable Prime Minister of India not only contained COVID-19 spread, but also timely announced the packages which could address all sections of society and reviving economy in the desired direction. Now today I am going to talk about that what are my recommendations that Government of India has to pursue in times ahead. As I said earlier in one of my talk that MSME is going to be a huge base for rural development. But that's a very difficult proposition because these MSMEs, near about 45 lakh units spread all over India. They are nearby towns and cities. That's where the challenge is that when we make MSME viable, they must involve now, especially the new units which is coming up in rural areas, so that all these migrant laborers which has moved towards places that they are being given job nearby their villages. That is number one. Secondly, like how we can make our rural India a vibrant for livability and everyone is attracted towards it. They stay there, they don't come towards cities. That on the model of that 100 smart cities, we have to make all villages smart villages, and towards that we have already catered Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Ayushman Bharat, lot many schemes for Kisans. Now here is the time that we have to do something very great about education and medical. My recommendations are that minimum near about 100 schools up to 10 plus 2 like Kendra Vidyalayas and near about 1000 hospitals along with medical colleges should come up in villages. Say in bigger districts there could be 2, in a small district at least 1, but they should be in rural areas. They should have all accommodation over there so that doctors and everyone stays over there. Nearby, the skill centers have to come up in rural areas so that the rural population which is coming towards cities, they are trained, skilled and given to the educational institute schools up to 10 plus 2. And my recommendations are that now we have to make education very competitive, in a sense quality wise. We have to have a education policy, vibrant education policy in India. We are now starting again the Vedic science based education in India. My dear friends, I would like to share with you that before the invaders, before the Britishers came to India and they looted India, the India once upon a time when it was called Sone Ki Chidiya, India was having near about 27% stake, the part of global GDP. You will argue with me that that time there were many nations, they were not on the world map, but still all the nations with whom the India was having trade, it was based on ethical practices, and with these ethical practices the Indian goods were all over the world, and that's why it had a 27% share in the global GDP. Why we can't have today? India is 130 crores Indians. Those are hardworking, those are honest, those are having aspirations now, those are being taken care of, dynamic leadership. The government of India is committed. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, day and night, 24/7, he is geared to provide all assistance from the government of India, all facilities from the government of India, so that we become, once again, India becomes Sone ki Chidiya. So what happens, I am getting back to it, that now this is the time that we are having the Vedic science-based education. We revive our old values, and when we revive these old values, the entire education pattern will change. My another recommendation is that the cultural values, ethical values, the social values, what were prevalent in old India when India was Sone ki Chidiya, they must be taught again. That's our very rich tradition, culture. That was our Sanskrit-based value system of education, which was supreme in the world. That's why the Hinduism or the Sanatan Dharam or education which was taught that time, which was supreme. Coming to the medical facilities, Ayushman Bharat was game-changing to take care of health of poor. The Prime Minister has a vision, it is very successful, but now if 1,000 hospitals are coming up in rural areas, first look into that what kind of an employment is being generated over there. Side by side, MSME is going to bring the industry chain over there. Big industries could come up in different clusters, SEZs or defense corridors, like in Uttar Pradesh. But to support that, especially the high-tech equipment, high-tech electronic equipments, defense industries needs near about 2 million of small parts. And all these small parts could be made through MSME in rural areas. If we do this, I am sure the day will not be far that our entire rural population, which is near about, especially I am talking about the migrant laborers and the unemployed youth in rural areas, they will have very good employment opportunities in MSME, educational institutions, getting skilled at rural skill development centers, and by virtue of that, I am sure we'll be converting India into a self-reliant nation. We'll be able to provide the quality products through MSME for our consumption and then for the world consumption. As Prime Minister said, that this is the time that we have to have local, use local, make it vocal, and then take it global. It means we have to be first make sure the standard and quality products for our consumption and then making it competitive in the global world. Dear friends, these are my recommendations. I keep my talk limited only to this. Subsequently, further I will be coming to few more topics which I will be discussing in this chain of my talks. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.